Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2008 GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number is 17G842A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Chrome wheels. Those wheels are wrapped with Hankook Dynapro tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a factory trailer hitch. Taking a look at the bed. You do have a soft cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Both passenger and driver seats are heated seats. You have four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Dual climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.